Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to Google Wallet. First, go to the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Payment Methods. If available, you'll see the option to add PayPal. Just tap it and follow the prompts to link your PayPal account. If you don't see the Add PayPal option, it might be because your country or region doesn't support PayPal on Google Play. But don't worry, scroll to the bottom and tap More Payment Settings. This will open the Google Play website in your web browser. From there, you can manually add your PayPal account and manage your payment options. And that's it. That's how to add PayPal to Google Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.